Hi, I'm Dennis Morton.
And I'm Katie Brown.
We're from Morton Brown Family Wealth, and we're reaching out to you today because we just recorded our quarterly live market update a couple of weeks ago. We're sending it out via video so you can see some of the slides we went through and how we tried to put the second quarter into some context. But we also wanted to do this intro because there's been a lot of volatility in the last couple of weeks.
Yes, which is pretty normal, actually. I mean, we never know when it's going to come, where it's going to come from, what the triggering events are going to be. But volatility is something that we talk about often. That you've talked about it in this past video. We'll talk about it in future ones too, because in any given year, it's normal to have a pullback of maybe 10% or so in the markets.
Yeah, it's a frequent question that we get sometimes is what is the role that bonds play in our strategy? And we talk about that in the video too, that having high quality fixed income, having ample cash and liquidity available to you is what should help you to weather what these normal events are. They don't feel great in the moment, but we should be able to look at certain portions of your investment strategy that are actually benefiting from some of the volatility.
Even just normal investing discipline is good to do throughout these markets so that you are ready for when things move in different directions to make sure that something doesn't get unintentionally out of whack, overweighted in one particular area. So just those good investing processes that you build into the rhythm and that we help build in for our clients help keep you aligned.
Right. And the catalyst for this event is different from the catalyst for the next one or the previous one. But the one thing to know is when market catalysts happen and things volatility kicks up, some investors have to jump into action. Their strategy requires them to jump into action, but that's probably not you. So if you're wondering, do I have to change my plan? Does this impact me? Am I still going to be okay? That's a conversation to have with your planner and somebody who's intimately aware of your situation and maybe can help you to know whether action is required or you can just sit back and weather the volatility.
Yeah, those are conversations we have and that we welcome. Those are things that we plan for. So when we are working with a family and putting together a financial plan, as you said, Dennis, we don't know what the catalyst is going to be, what the specific event is going to be, but we build in those probabilities that something will happen at some point and test that out in your plan so that we have a good understanding and hopefully you have a good understanding of when action's required and when maybe it's not.
So if any questions come up as you watch the market update or things you've seen in the news, feel free to reach out and we hope to talk to you soon.
Take care.